Hey, good morning. How are you? I'm feeling good today, and here's the deal. One of the kits has been updated. I talked a lot about these a few weeks ago, but one of them changed, so I feel like I should tell you it's the Clean and Bright Skin. The Pure Rose line is gone. I have a feeling it's being rebranded because that line is too good to just like get rid of. Rose water is just like a miracle for all of us, right? So here's the deal. When you join for $19.99, you get this box. I put the other one up there. That is full of samples and business materials. Okay. You get a free website. There's no annual fees. You get a 50% discount on all of your purchases. And you get to do what you want with that. Right? If you spend $125 every 3 months, rolling 3 months, you can keep your discount for as long as what you want it. You can order once and never order again, and that's fine too. You can take it and literally run with it and create an empire and like build your dreams as big as what you want, because in this market, there is no cap on where you can go, right? It's as hard as what you want to work. You don't want to work very hard, you're not going to get very far. You want to be consistent, do the hard things, get comfortable with being outside your comfort zone 100% of the time. Literally, your life could be changed in all the ways mine have been, and I've seen it over the last 6 years. So here's the deal. Once you get that $19.99 kit, it immediately unlocks other kits at a huge discount, more than 50%, which I just really love a good deal, okay? I just love a good deal. So here's the deal. This Clean and Bright skincare kit is valued at $333. You're getting it for $125 when you add it on to the $19.99. You only get one shot to get it, okay? So you get it or you don't get it, and then you're just done, okay? But it comes with a lot of stuff, and here's what's funny is I don't have one of the sets, and I'm going to tell you why, but it comes with the tea tree. You guys know that I love this. I actually have this soap in my shower. So every morning I actually rotate between using this soap and the Pure Rose soap because I'm oily, and this will help with oily, acne prone skin. If you work in just really dirty environments, this just gives you a really deep clean because tea tree is antibacterial. So when you're getting this line, all the things, right? So before I started with the Lumi Radiance face cream during the day because it has the SPF, I rotated this and the Pure Rose because the Pure Rose helped with the redness of my skin, which now the Lumi Radiance does, so I don't really need the Pure Rose, but this helped with oil control, so it was awesome. If you're super dry, this kit will work for you, okay? Because here's the deal is you can rotate. It comes with 3 skincare lines. Here's what I love about this is if you're oily, this kit is great. If you are dry with acne, this kit is great, okay? And that seems weird because in my mind, I think people who have acne are generally oily. That's not the case. My daughter Stella has some acne. It's not terrible because I'm so sorry. If I had half a brain, I would turn the Wi-Fi off before I started. I don't know why the Wi-Fi doesn't want to work on Instagram Lives, but it is what it is. So my daughter Stella, she has some acne, and the tea tree and the acne line work for her, but they dry her out. She was noticing, especially under her eyes, was getting really, really dry, and she needed that push for some more moisture in her face, right? So here's where this kit is great, is that you have the tea tree line, and you guys, it comes with cream, serum, the toothpaste, the face wash, the face cream, the face tonic, the clay mask. It's amazing. The bar soap, which I showed you yesterday, how to clean brushes with that bar soap, you can use it on your face too. I just don't because I don't have a lot of acne, and I use a couple other products to combat the oil with the other products that I use. So then you get the travel toothpaste too. The tea tree is actually what I used before I just started using the whitening, and I really, really loved it. I was kind of noticing my teeth getting whiter anyways, but that's besides the point. Okay, and then it comes with the aloe line too. This line is great because it is great for sensitive skin, and it's great for drier skin, which even if you're oily, this is going to dry you out some, and you're going to need to add the moisture back in. So that's where having that aloe line with the tea tree is really perfect. And with that one, you get the scrub, the lotion, the face mask, the cream, the gel, and another lotion. So one of the lotions I have at work, and then the other one I use for my whole body. one of the really great things is the aloe gel. It is, oh, well, I brought the brand new one. It's great for sunburns. I wondered why there was another one downstairs. I was like, how do I have two of these? That's weird, right? And you can make your own hand sanitizer with that. So that's pretty fun too. Okay, so then, you guys, this is a line that I don't have physically. I actually got it. I used it. And I thought it was okay. For my skin type, I prefer, again, I'm 42, right? I prefer the Age Reversist and the Lumi Radiance. That all comes in a kit too. It's $140, I believe. So I gave the whole set. It comes with the gel cleanser, the hydrating cream, the boosting hydra drops, which is kind of like a serum, and then the revitalizing eye cream. So I gave that whole set to Stella to use with the tea tree or the acne line, depending on which one she feels like she's using, because anything that is drying up acne is going to dry up your skin also. So you're going to need to add that moisture back in there. So between the aloe line and the aqua line, you're going to be set. It's going to be amazing. So if this is your skin type, you're going to love this, because here's the deal is I typically use a different skincare line in the morning than I do the night, because one, they're so affordable anyways, right? Okay, so I said you could get 3 complete skincare lines plus a couple other items that I'm going to show you for $333.30. That's crazy, because that's retail. You cut that in half, we're at what, 150 plus 15, 165-ish, 170 for 3 skincare lines. That's insane. I literally did a list before of what I was using and what I would have to buy to compare to what I'm using now. And what I use now is the Lumi Radiance and the Age Reverses, and it actually comes with, let's see here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 items. The old only had 11 items that I could find that were comparable, and it was $599. That's insane. We don't want to pay that anymore, right? We want some affordable skincare. So here's the deal is you get 3 for $125 when you join for the $19.99, plus you get that 50% discount. So it's not like you're getting it one time and then you're like, well, then it's like, $600. I can't afford that. So I'm going to fall in love and then I'm never going to be able to use it again. That is not the case, ladies. You're going to get it and then be able to afford to replenish it. And maybe you'll decide between a couple lines and say, I really like this one. I want to maybe try that one instead, or I want to add this. Or you can do like what I do. And I do the tea tree soap in the shower. And then I do, in the morning times, I'll do the Lumi Radiance line, okay? And then at night, I use the Age Reversist. So you can kind of mix and match, and I really love that about it. Couple other things that come with this kit is these things. This foot odor control is a godsend. Spray it in your kids' shoes, especially if you have boys, so that your whole house doesn't smell like a dirty sock. Okay, it's amazing. This is one of my favorite products. I wish they would have put the peeling salt in here as well, because it's legit my favorite to pair with this. But if you want it, just throw it on for half off and then you're good to go, right? But the peeling salt and the foot intensive foot cream is amazing. This alone will work wonders on your foot. Good morning, good morning. But grab the peeling salt too, because it's so good. But this one is a dream. So you get the 3 skincare sets. So what did I say? 21 items plus samples, plus you're getting the kit for the $19.99 that comes with the samples and business materials. If you don't want a business, throw them out. If you just want to try all the skincare, do it. There's no other fees. There's no canceling. I literally hate when I have to join something and I just want to join for the good deal, right? The Fabletics leggings. You guys, the Fabletic leggings. They're my favorite. They're amazing. They lift my butt. They hold in my stomach. They show no cellulite. That's what I look for in a legging. These leggings are so freaking incredible, and they range from like $60 to $80 a pair. There is no way I'm paying that. Like, I just can't. My heart would break if I spent $70 plus tax and shipping on a pair of one leggings. But when you sign up for the membership, you get 2 for like $24 or $29. So that's crazy, right? Here's the deal though. You get the leggings and then you call to cancel. Otherwise they're going to charge you, I think $39 or $49 a month. I don't know because I always cancel it. But it's such a nightmare to call and cancel. I mean, it's worth it because the leggings are good, but it's so annoying. I'm just gonna say that it's annoying because then you call and they're like, what if we gave you a coupon? What if we gave you this? Well, how about this? How about you wait? How about you just skip a month? And I'm just like, I just want to cancel. I just wanted the 2 for $24. Give me the leggings, move on. But they make you call because I'm certain a lot of people do that. With Farmasi, you don't have to do that. You don't have to call and cancel. There's no annual fees. There's no website fees. There's literally nothing else that you will have to do other than get on there, put your information, pick your kits, and move on. I like that. I like a company that makes things easy. But here's the thing is if you don't want to just get the stuff and move on, you don't have to, you guys. I was bullied into joining direct sales 6 years ago. I actually joined twice because I couldn't see the potential. I couldn't see anything. And then someone said I could get a little bit of free makeup and I was like, okay. And then I realized I could make money. Then I realized I could change my whole life. Then I realized that, you guys, I made more from last month. My paycheck this month was $300 more than the bring home at my full-time job that I work 40 hours a week, commute, like an hour and a half to 2 hours a day, depending on traffic. You guys, that is mind-blowing, right? To think about, look at what checks are deposited into your bank account from your full-time job. And then think about over doubling that. Would that change your life at all? Because that changes my life. That changes things for me. I'm able to have a higher car payment and have a nicer car because I didn't treat my other car so well. Left it running for a long time and it didn't like me anymore. Left me on the side of the road. I was able to get a new car and be able to pay for that without worry and stress about, well, am I going to be able to pay the water bill? All these things. Life has changed. And I love that. And I want to change it for you too. So reach out to me if you have questions. If you want to know any other specifics about this kit, let me know, or any of the other kits. I put the updated beauty kit available to you, and then the other kits have not changed. So they're all on my YouTube. They're all on IGTV. If you have any questions, though, reach out to me. Otherwise, I hope that you have a really happy, is it Wednesday? I think it's Wednesday. I hope you have a happy Wednesday. I did shower today, if you're following that saga. Maybe TMI, but I love you guys. I hope that you have an amazing, amazing day. I will tell you, I am super, super, super excited for Friday. I get to go meet the CEO of Farmasi at an event, and they're smaller events. They haven't scheduled our convention yet, but I'm super, super excited. I have butterflies. So stay tuned for all of that. And I love you guys. I hope that you have an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you guys later.